Back workout at home with dumbbells. 7 dumbbell back exercises you can do at home. 1. Wide row. Grab one dumbbell with each hand and flex your knees and hips to bring yourself to a squatting position. Lift both dumbbells straight up without altering the angles at your knees and hips and lower them back after a short pause. Breathe out when lifting the dumbbells and breathe in when returning to starting position. 2. Bent over row. Stand up and reach down in order to hold 2 dumbbells with both hands, knees slightly bent. Lift the dumbbells up until your upper arms are parallel to your body and lower them back after a short pause. Try to keep your back straight throughout. Only the arm should move. 3. Kneeling one arm row. Put your knee and hand on a bench and grab a dumbbell with your other hand. Lift the dumbbell straight up without moving anything else than your arm and lower it back down after a short pause. Breathe out when raising the dumbbell and in when returning to starting position. 4. One arm row. Position yourself bent forward in front of a bench while holding a dumbbell with one hand, arm extended. Lift the dumbbell up until your upper arm is parallel to your body and lower it back after a short pause. Alternate hands when set is completed. Try to keep your back straight throughout. Only the arm should move. 5. Deadlift. The dumbbell deadlift is one of the most efficient dumbbell back exercises that you can do. The reason is that the dumbbell deadlift not only exercises the back but also most of the major muscle groups. Stand up and grab a dumbbell with each of your hands. Flex your knees and hips in order to lower the dumbbells straight down and raise yourself back up after a short pause. Breathe in when lowering and breathe out when returning to starting position. 6. Back fly. Lie down on your chest on the bench and grab 2 dumbbells with your hands, elbows at 90-degree angles. Raise the dumbbells until your arms are parallel to the ground and lower them back after a short pause. Breathe out when pulling the dumbbells and breathe in when lowering them back. 7. Stiff-legged deadlift. Stand up and reach down in order to hold 2 dumbbells with both hands, knees slightly bent. Raise your upper body until you are standing and lower it back after a short pause. Try to keep your arms straight throughout by keeping the same small arch in your elbows. Thanks for watching. If you want to take action, change your life and build body of your dreams, watch the video in the description.